This is how to add a new page in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, select a project, or you can create a new one. Let's say we'll open this My Latex project. Okay, as you can see here, there are two pages. And if you want to add another page, let's say we will separate this number 5 right here. We'll put this in a new page. So we will go to this section right here and type in / new page. Then just click recompile. And we have just created a new page with the content in it. And if you want to add a clear page, we'll just go to the last part. Thank you for reading, and we will add new page. Then add a section. Let's say methodology. And just click recompile. And there you have it. So this is how to add a new page in Overleaf.